Replacing or installing new windows is one of the most impactful home improvement projects a homeowner in Frisco can undertake. New windows can boost energy efficiency, improve comfort, enhance curb appeal, and even increase resale value. But while the benefits are clear, many homeowners run into trouble by making avoidable mistakes during the installation process. To help you get the best return on your investment, here are some common window installation mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting a window style or material that doesn't match their home's needs. For example, single-pane windows might seem cost-effective upfront but perform poorly in Texas's hot summers. Similarly, installing windows without UV protection can cause higher energy bills and fading furniture. Tip: always consider Frisco's climate when choosing windows. Energy-efficient double-pane or low-E glass options are often the best fit for reducing heat transfer and keeping your home comfortable year-round. Overlooking measurements. Precise measurements are critical to a proper fit. Even being off by a fraction of an inch can lead to gaps, drafts, and long-term performance issues. Some homeowners assume all windows are standard sizes, only to realize too late that their openings are slightly different. Tip: never rely on a close enough approach. Have a professional measure your windows carefully to ensure a perfect fit. DIY installation. Without experience, window installation may look straightforward, but it involves more than just sliding a frame into place. Misaligned windows can cause leaks, drafts, and even structural issues. Homeowners who attempt DIY installation often underestimate the precision and sealing required. Tip: unless you have professional training, hire an experienced window installer in Frisco. A skilled installer ensures proper insulation, alignment, and long-term performance. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Many homeowners choose windows based on appearance alone, without looking at energy ratings like U factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC. This can lead to windows that look great but do little to reduce energy bills. Tip: look for Energy Star rated windows designed for Texas's climate zone. These ratings ensure your new windows perform as well as they look. Skipping proper sealing and insulation. Even high-quality windows won't perform well if they aren't sealed and insulated correctly. Poor sealing allows air and moisture to seep in, leading to higher utility bills, mold issues, and damage to your home's structure. Tip: ensure that installers use the right caulking, flashing, and insulation materials. Ask about their sealing process before the job begins. Neglecting local building codes. Frisco has specific building codes and WA guidelines that may affect window installation. Some homeowners purchase windows or hire contractors without checking these requirements, leading to costly fines or mandatory replacements. Tip: always confirm that your installer is familiar with local codes and WA rules before beginning work. Focusing only on price. It's tempting to choose the cheapest option, but low-cost windows or installers can end up costing more in the long run. Inferior products often fail sooner, and poor workmanship leads to costly repairs. Tip: look for the best value, not just the lowest price. Quality windows installed correctly will save money over time through better durability and energy efficiency. Forgetting about maintenance. Some homeowners choose windows without considering future maintenance needs. For example, wood windows can be beautiful but require more upkeep compared to vinyl or fiberglass. Tip: think about how much time and effort you want to spend maintaining your windows. Choose materials that fit your lifestyle and long-term plans. Final thoughts: window installation in Frisco is a significant investment, and avoiding these common mistakes can make all the difference. By choosing the right windows, ensuring accurate measurements, hiring experienced installers, and prioritizing energy efficiency, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and beautiful home for years to come.